So I'm here with Abby and Sophie. I'm going to show you real quick, down and dirty ring flash, okay? Super simple, up against a wall like this, super duper easy. All Abby has to do is hold the two lights near my camera lens and it's super easy. So, and just put everything on TTL. It doesn't matter what kind of light you use, what kind of, doesn't matter. Just regular TTL flash and you're good to go. Ready? Okay, so you're going to come over and you can put both lights on either side of my lens. Okay? Closer you get, the better. Yeah, good. Good. Nice. And that's it. Down and dirty, ring flash, super duper easy. Now you know how to do it.
Woo! Woo!